Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and confirming the stabilizer is fully isolated. This prevents shocks. Once done, remove the access cover and visually identify the fuse holder. Some are cartridge style, others are blade type. You should compare the old fuse's amperage, voltage, and physical size to the replacement now. Make sure the spare matches exactly. Use insulated tools and gloves while handling. If you have a multimeter, set it to continuity to verify the existing fuse before removal. This saves time. You next confirm the circuit is dead with the multimeter, no voltage and no continuity through the live terminal. Once confirmed, unclip or unscrew the holder and extract the old fuse carefully, noting its orientation and any retaining clips. This matters for cartridge versus blade types. Clean contacts if corroded, then insert the replacement fuse snugly. Make sure it seats evenly and clips engage. Once mechanical parts are back in place, replace the cover and tighten screws to factory torque. Do not power up yet. You finish by restoring power and watching the stabilizer outputs. Measure line and load voltages to ensure they fall within specification. Small transient blips are normal, sustained faults are not. If the replacement fuse blows right away, shut down, isolate individual loads, and check for shorts or reversed wiring. Those are the common causes. If problems persist, inspect internal capacitors, rectifiers, or contactors. Use a thermal camera for hotspots. Make sure to keep a matching spare fuse and log what failed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.